I've got a problem. I'm about to leave for my MOT appointment, which is in about, what, half an hour. And this is what the problem is. So I'm trying to spray some water on the windshield just to clean it a bit, and there is nothing coming out. So that's not ideal. That is an MOT failure, and I don't think the guy who does the check is going to be impressed by the new brakes, so he can pass the car. For that reason, I'm gonna try and fix that. So yeah, half an hour. Let's see if I'm gonna be able to do anything in that time. And I think a good start is gonna be if we unplug the pipe here going into the washer, just to see if that washer is blocked or both of them are blocked. But let's start with this one, as the water comes from here and that feeds the other washer as well. So I'm gonna unplug this one. Okay. I don't think anything's coming out. Okay, so what I know now is that probably the washers are not blocked. So if we go down this way, follow the path of that pipe, it takes us down to the reservoir. And as I told you, the reservoir is full. As you can see, it's almost to the top. So, okay, these are the pumps. Cool. Let's see. I'll take this one out. The thing is just a matter of pulling, isn't it? Or maybe twisting as well. So if you twist and then pull, and this comes out. Okay, that's the pump. There is another one on that side. I guess that's for the washers that do the headlights. Okay. Now what we gotta do next is, well, I can hear that the pump is working. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next is put a separate reservoir, something that pump can draw water from. Okay. And the only thing I had handy was that balloon. So what I did is put some of the water from here inside that balloon, and I wrapped it around the pump. Now, let's see if that is gonna get some water to the washers. Okay, I think that to a certain degree is a good sign. I saw some water leaking out of the pipe, so this pipe is not blocked. So what is probably blocked is the reservoir. So what I gotta do now is take the reservoir out. Okay, so that looks like a 8 or a 10 socket. All that slime, guys, came from out here, so that was definitely blocked. So yeah, this plastic bit goes in here and the pump plugs into here. I'm gonna also clean the one for the headlights as well. So that's where the filter is, and that's where the pump plugs in. All right, yeah, that's also blocked. Come on, it's so dirty. what these people put in that reservoir. Yeah, I'm gonna take the whole reservoir and I'm gonna clean it. I've cleaned the two filters. Here is a small one. This one is the one that filters the water for the washers that clean the windshield, and this one is a filter that cleans the water for the headlights. Now, I've also cleaned the reservoir. Let's put back these ones on. This one goes here, and that one goes in here. Now, it'll be very speedy, so we haven't got any time to spare. And everything back in the reverse order. Okay, that seems good. Now, this pump is the one for the headlights. It goes in. And now the pump, this one you need to slightly twist it, as there is the hose that goes under. So this one in here, goes in, and then you twist it into place. Then you put the protector plate here. Good. And then, well, hopefully that was the problem, as I don't have any more time. Let's just put quickly some screen wash. So screen wash goes in here. Let's see if I did a good job now. Moment of truth. Yes. And I think I have a bigger problem than the windshield washers. Now have a look at this. So I'm trying to start the car. Let me flip the camera around. So I'm trying to start the car. I turn the keys. Looks like we've got power. And that's all it happens. And I think that may be a starter motor, as there is plenty of power. I tried to disconnect the battery, reconnect it again, and yeah. So I guess we're not gonna make it to the MOT center. It may actually be the battery, so let's have a go. And now the car is connected to our little Japanese motor. Let's see, are we gonna have luck? Oh, so it was indeed a battery, not the starter motor.